Hello everyone, today we're going to play Sonic Frenzy. I've already played this a lot, so I'm gonna try to speedrun this. Okay. We gotta go quick. Okay. The timer has started at like 25 or something. Okay, it started at like 21 seconds into the video. Let's go. Okay. Come on. I must speedrun this at the speed of sound. Come on. There's no time to waste. Level completed. Come on, here we go. Nah. The Chaos Emeralds don't matter right now. What matters is the amount of time it takes for me to finish the level. Let's go. Level completed. Next level. Good old chemical plant zone. Ooh. I almost forgot about that. Come on, let's go. Ooh, Sonic is doing some nice parkour. Ooh. And, ooh. We're almost right there. Let's go. Come on. Level completed. Okay, the Chaos Emeralds don't matter. No! Okay, fine, they do matter. Yeah. Wow. That just took away some of my time. I'm already at 2 minutes. I'm gonna speedrun this in less than 6 minutes. Come on. There's no time to waste. I can't press the left button. I can only press the right button. It only count against my time if I press the left button. Come on. How am I speaking too fast? Am I speaking too fast? I don't know. Come on. Oh, I'm at 3 minutes. Oh. Yes, I know there's a Chaos Emerald right there. Come on, so close. Come on. No, come on. No. Why am I supposed to... Why? No. Why they have to start from the very beginning? Why can't there be any checkpoints? Come on. Oh, why did I lose momentum in that? No, that's because of the momentum. Why is there less momentum in that slope? Come on. I'm about to hit 4 minutes. And plus the final boss. No. Come on. Yes. Level completed. Come on. Guess we're in the final zone. We're at 4 minutes in the clock. Oh, this might take away some time. Come on, you can do this, Sonic. Oh, no. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, 4 minutes. No. No, I can't. No. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay, wait, it doesn't really matter. No! I'm at 4 minutes. I'm about to hit 5 minutes. No. Hurry. Why is Dr. Eggman taking so long to get down? Let's go. One hit. And he goes back all the way up there. He goes all the way back up there. Oh, that was so close. Let's go. One more hit. Oh, let's go. Come on. This is my last hit. And... let's go. Come on, come on. 5 minutes. Let's go. I speedrun this in 5 minutes. 5 minutes at the clock. Oh my goodness. 5 minutes. Okay. Let's see if the highest... What? Okay, someone must have hacked into this. That's not possible. How can someone complete Green Hill Zone in 4 seconds? Studiopolis Zone in 4 seconds. Mushroom Hill Zone in 4 seconds. Chemical Plant Zone in 11 seconds. Metallic Madness in 16 seconds. Green Studio Mushroom Plant Madness Zone in... Okay, that's kind of... I don't know. Ring Vortex Zone. 0.067 seconds. There's no way. No way that's possible. Someone must have hacked into the game. How to play. That was select. Now it's time to get the Chaos Emeralds. Let's see, can I find all 7 of them? I don't remember exactly where all 7 of them are. I just collected 1 at the final boss. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up. Hold up. That's not possible. That's not fair. How am I supposed to collect all 7 Chaos Emeralds when the land... when the level is just not... it's not there? How? Oh wait. Oh. Oh, this slope just takes away your momentum. Oh, that was... oh my goodness, that was so close. I thought I fell down into the void. I didn't need that second one. And... boom. Why am I still speedrunning this when all I need to do is find all 7 Chaos Emeralds? Boom. What? No, no, no. This bot is a hacker. This bot just hacked into me and then just... when I was about to hit him, he just hacked into the game and just... yeah. And I was into... what? It just turned me into the standing costume. No way. That bot was a hacker. Mushroom Hill Zone. I wonder what it smells like in Mushroom Hill Zone. Does it smell like mushrooms, or does it smell more like trees? Oh. How many Chaos Emeralds are there? Oh yeah, there's 7. Anyways, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Good old Chemical Plant Zone. Oh, I love this. This level is like one of the best levels in all of Sonic history because of the music and the water, which I don't even know if it's even called water because the water is purple and what? Boom, boom. Let's go. Oh, it's one of those hacker bots again. Wait, was there one right here? Oh yeah, there is one right here. Wait a second. Why is the hitbox not really... hold up. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna try that again. The hitbox isn't really supposed to do that. What? So is the hitbox the actual costume? That kind of makes sense. because of the glitches, but they're like very minor glitches. They aren't really that bad. Boom. Whoa, whoa. Are these spike balls statues? Just look at them. Are they... Just look at them. They're so still. Are they playing Night of the Museum? Am I the guard or something like that? And they're trying to... Like, if I'm like over here, they're all moving. And if I look back, they're still... Come on. Why did I jump? Yes, I finally found Dr. Eggman. Let's go. I really like Rocket's creativity into making this level. Like, all the levels are combined to make one long level that's full of mysteries, like that. Sonic is hacking. Just look at that. He's walking on the void. He's walking in the void. Like as if it's a regular costume. Like a regular level. Like, what? Oh my goodness. How many spike balls are playing Night of the Museum? Oh my goodness, the final boss. Wait, did I already find all 7 Chaos Emeralds? Okay, let's see if I can defeat the final boss with all 3 lives. Ooh. Let's see if I can. Boom. Oh no! How? How? Just how? Well, at least I got... No! Why did that spike ball just steal that Chaos Emerald? Did that spike ball steal the Chaos Emerald? Or... yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a glitch. You see this? This is Dr. Eggman's... That's the Eggman sprite. Did anyone see that? Huh. What? How did I not find all 7 Chaos Emeralds? 1 second. Hold up. Which color is left? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where's the yellow thing? Wait, so it's the golden? The yellow Chaos Emerald? Oops. How to play? Yep, it's the golden Chaos Emerald, but I don't remember which level it was. Okay, Studiopolis. Which one didn't really have a Chaos Emerald? Oh! It probably is this one. Come on. Am I gonna catch all 7 Chaos Emeralds? Oh wait, I remember. I remember there was one at the very end of the level. Let's go. We got the Chaos Emerald. I hope that like Rocket, like in a future update, could like put Supersonic if you get all 7 Chaos Emeralds. Or if you wait, you can. I have an excellent idea. Maybe Rocket can actually put Hypersonic if you first find all 7 Chaos Emeralds, and then you find all 7 Super Emeralds. That would be a nice update. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.